Hi guys, this is Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you dropped in. Today's video is part of the Kendra's Card Challenge 7 video hop and giveaway. Each of the crafters participating in the hop today are going to be sharing a project that was created using one of the 15 card sketches from the new quarterly card making challenge. And I will be sharing card sketch number 15. I think she picked that one out for me special because it's probably the easiest one, and I don't really do a lot with card sketches, but she makes it super easy to use your pattern paper when you're creating your cards and to make a ton of cards in almost 0 time. So you gotta try this whole card challenge idea. Plus, on top of all of the inspiration you're going to see and ideas using these card sketches, there's going to be a giveaway at the end of the hop. So make sure that you comment and subscribe to each stop along the hop. At the top of the description box, you'll find a link to the next person in the lineup. I hope you take time to watch all of the hop videos because we love your comments and thumbs up. And if you aren't already a subscriber to my channel, I really hope you consider subscribing and click on that little bell so you never miss any of my videos. You can also use hashtag KCC7 giveaway hop to find all of the videos in this hop. Please check all the description information down below so you know how to enter. So the one that I'm going to be working on, and I'll go ahead and share a picture of that right here, is her card sketch number 15. And it uses basically 2 small strips of pattern paper from a couple of sheets from 2 separate sheets of 6x6 pattern paper, okay, so here is this month's this quarter's card challenge. And the way that this works, you've got 6 pieces of pattern paper, and she shows you exactly where you need to cut. Now, for my specific card, you see that there is this one down here at the bottom that is number 15. So that's one of the pieces that I need to use for my card. And the other one is on this page, which is pattern paper number 15. Pattern paper E, and it's this one that has number 15 on. I've already cut those 2 pieces out, so I'm all ready to go to start assembling my card. So I've got a yellow card base, reason being I wanted something for the background, and I've got my 2 pattern paper pieces. I'm also going to use some cardstock though to back it. So for the matting layer, you need to cut that to 2 3/4 and about the same length as your strip. I'm just adding a little bit of dot liner to the back of this, and then I'll place that on my strip and try to center that best I can. And then we've got our nice little matting layer. Okay, her instructions do show that the backing needs to be 5.5 by 4 1/4, so I'm going to do this on my card base. I'm going to line this up, and then I'll be able to trim off the excess. So I am going to this one has it going at a diagonal. I don't think it really matters, what specifically the angle is, but I am going to make it so that this bottom piece here and this bottom piece here are the ones that are right there at the edge, and then I can trim off the excess. And I should have done this one first because that gives me the correct angle, and then I need to now go back in and reposition this one so it is aligned. There we go. Now it's perfect. So next I'm just going to take some scissors and just trim off that extra. Okay, the only other thing on here is that she said in this wide open space down here at the bottom is to build your scene. So what I'm going to use is I have got some extras of this cute little balloon animal from Spellbinders that I was playing with last week. I absolutely love them, and I think that would be great, and this will be a cool birthday card. And I just realized I did my balloons upside down. I don't think anybody but me is going to really notice, but I did them upside down. And because my glue has been sitting for a week, it looks like my nozzle was a little bit clogged, so it was not wanting to work right, but that's okay. Okay, so this is the one that's got color on it. I'm going to spread my glue around with my finger because I got way too much glue on there. And then I can put one of my white die cuts on the back. That is going to give it a little bit more dimension. And just add a little bit more color to my little balloons. And then I'm going to layer them up on my little balloon animal. I think these little guys are just so darn cute. Okay, so I'm gonna add this little guy to the front of my card, and I'm gonna grab out a sentiment from my sentiment binder. Okay, I think that is gonna look perfect. So for the happy birthday sentiment, I'm going to use some foam tape to pop that up a little bit. And I want to make sure it fits well behind it, so I am trimming these down a little bit so it'll be a little bit more narrow. I want that to fit right behind the sentiment there. Okay, so that gives it a little bit of dimension. And I don't think that my little doggy really needs any dimension at all. So I'm just going to go ahead and adhere everything down. So this is going to finish up this card video for the Kendra's Card Challenge number 7 giveaway hop. I encourage you to take part in the challenge as well, because there are a lot of prizes that she's going to be giving out throughout the quarter to those that are participating in that. And all you need to do is basically go over to her website. There's going to be a link down below with all the instructions. Be sure to check that out. Check out all the other hoppers in the hop, because there's going to be a lot of inspirational projects for you to see. Here's another video where I am making some other cards using my pattern paper and die cuts. And you guys have a wonderful day. Remember, if I can make it, you can too. Catch you next time.